So in the last few videos, I used consumer grade products like Turtle Wax and Armor to clean specific stains. But in this video, I'm just gonna do my usual process of using Super Clean, an upholstery brush, and my Aqua Pro Vac extractor to clean the seats. So let's get into the video. Okay, so first we're gonna start out with, this is the IK something pump sprayer. This is Super Clean inside there, diluted 10:1. So I'm just going to pump it and then spray all the, see how it penetrates the actual fabric. And the reason why I'm putting so much is because I'm very familiar with this type of fabric, and you want it to penetrate in order to actually get thorough agitation going. It foams, it never penetrates the fabric as you're agitating. The foam gets like over and above the brush. You know, say this is the seats or the carpet or the fabric that you're cleaning. When you spray it, it just stays 100% of the time on top of the fabric, and it doesn't really penetrate into the fibers to really pull out all the gunk. And so then you're literally just gonna agitate. Spray a little bit more right there. Now, if this brush, at times bristles do fall out, kind of annoying, but you know, I don't really let it get to me too bad because it's not that much, but you can see bristles fall out. But I'll just, you know, kind of bypass that part. Alright, so now we sprayed it, agitated. So now I'm going to use the Aqua Pro Vac extractor to extract all that dirt and cleaner out. right, I probably did a bit too much because I was trying to capture it for the camera, but there we go, we've extracted it. Now I'm gonna use a dry towel and just come back, and just to speed up the process of drying, I'll come back here and just kind of quickly mop up as much excess water as I can. Now if it's a relatively warm day, if there's some sunlight out, if there's some warmth outside, when we do the entire seats and the floor mats and even the carpets, everything should be dry within 2 hours of starting the extraction phase. So it doesn't take the entire day for it to dry. Your butt's not gonna be wet, your back's not gonna be wet when the customer gets back in the seat or in the car. Now if it's a cold day, if there's overcast, if there's rain coming, and there's no heat, no warmth whatsoever, it can take a few more hours because there's nothing to dry up the seats, or the fabric I should say. Okay, and that's how much it's dried off with the air mover. Now I could still see like maybe a little bit of light right here, maybe just, or that's just the sun. I don't know if that's on the sun or if that's on me, but I see a little bit of right here as well. So when that happens, you'll just have to touch up those specific areas with just a brush. Like most of the time I don't pull out the extractor or steamer. Like I just touch up, like if I still see a little bit right here, then I'll touch up that right there because that's all the attention it needs right there. Anyways, that wraps up this video. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, as always, leave those in the comment section down below, and I'll see you on the next one.